Copying and pasting text on an Android mobile phone is one of the simplest and most useful everyday skills. This guide will help you understand the easy method to copy and paste text on any Android device in a natural and beginner friendly way. So, open the app or web page where the text you want to copy is located. Press and hold your finger on the first word until you see the text become highlighted with blue selection handles. Next, drag those handles to adjust the selection and highlight all the required text you need. Alternatively, tap Select All if you want to copy the entire paragraph quickly. After selecting the text, a small menu will appear on the screen. Tap the Copy option to save the text to your clipboard. Now open the app where you want to paste it, such as WhatsApp messages or notes. Touch and hold the typing area until the menu appears. Finally, tap Paste and the copied text will appear instantly on your screen. This simple process helps you move information quickly between apps without any difficulty. It works across almost all Android applications, including browsers, messaging apps, and document editors. You can also use this method when copying links, addresses, or important notes for later use. If you make a mistake in selection, simply release your finger and try again until it is correct. The clipboard temporarily stores your copied content, so you can paste it multiple times if needed. Practice makes it even faster and easier over time for daily smartphone use. Overall, this feature saves time and improves productivity when handling digital text on your Android device, making communication smoother and more efficient in everyday life, whether for work, study, or personal tasks, so you can manage information easily anywhere, anytime with confidence and speed quickly and effortlessly every single day always.